As the sun rises over a new day, we find ourselves standing at the threshold of a remarkable era, one that promises to reshape the way we think about technology, finance, and community. In a world overflowing with hype and fleeting trends, it's rare to witness the birth of a genuine movement, one that quietly grows, fueled by the hopes and actions of everyday people. Today, the Pi network is proving itself as a true phenomenon, capturing the imagination of millions across the globe and offering a new vision for digital currency. Quietly, millions have tapped their phones day after day, united by a belief in something bigger than themselves. Now, that belief is being rewarded as the world begins to take notice. This isn't just another crypto story, it's a story about people, about visionaries, dreamers, and doers, coming together to build a new era in digital finance, one that is more inclusive and accessible than ever before. The Pi core team's latest updates mark a seismic shift, moving the project from a bold concept to a powerful, functional economy. Developers and innovators are working tirelessly to turn vision into reality. The technology, the passionate community, and a growing network of partnerships are finally coming together, creating undeniable potential for real-world impact. For the 47 million pioneers, this is more than just a milestone. It's a celebration of perseverance, progress, and the exciting opportunities that lie ahead. In this chapter, we'll dive into the recent price action, explore new partnerships, and break down what mainnet and KYC mean for you as a member of this growing ecosystem. The narrative is changing, no longer dictated by a select few, but driven by you, the community, whose energy and commitment are shaping the future of Pi. So let's get straight into it and discover together what makes this moment truly historic. Let's talk resilience. In a volatile crypto market, Pi has stood out. While Bitcoin and others dropped, Pi rebounded, up 4%, now trading above 20 cents. In a market losing billions, Pi's strength is a statement of confidence and independence. This isn't hype, it's recognition of real progress and a massive KYC-verified user base. Pi's positive momentum is driven by development, not speculation. The market is finally pricing in Pi's long-term potential. The sleeping giant is stirring, and the charts reflect the quiet confidence of millions. This is no fluke, it's the result of building a strong foundation before chasing hype. Pi is proving it can shine, even when the rest of the market is in shadow. Today marks a pivotal moment for the Pi network. A true game changer is here. Banxa, a global leader in digital payments, has officially integrated with the Pi network, forging a powerful alliance that promises to reshape the future of digital currency. Banxa is renowned as a top-tier fiat-to-crypto gateway trusted by millions worldwide. With this integration, Banxa brings real-world liquidity to Pi, making it easier than ever for users to move between traditional money and digital assets. This partnership is more than just a business deal. It's a major vote of confidence in Pi's vision. Banxa provides the robust infrastructure needed for value to flow seamlessly in and out of the Pi ecosystem, connecting Pi to the broader financial world. Banxa's acquisition of 10 million Pi tokens is a bold move, signaling deep institutional belief in Pi's long-term potential. This isn't just a purchase, it's a strategic investment in the future of decentralized finance. This legitimizes Pi on a global scale, opening doors for more high-profile partnerships, greater liquidity, and increased trust from both users and businesses. For pioneers, this means that the long-awaited ability to convert Pi into local currency is finally within reach. Soon, users will be able to exchange their Pi for cash or other digital assets, unlocking real-world value. Merchants and businesses can now accept Pi with confidence, knowing there's a reliable and secure off-ramp to traditional currencies. This paves the way for Pi to be used in everyday transactions, from small shops to large retailers. This is just the beginning of Pi's integration into daily life. Imagine buying your morning coffee, groceries, or even paying bills with Pi. These possibilities are now closer than ever. The Banksa partnership is a foundational step toward mass adoption, setting the stage for millions of people to join the Pi economy and participate in a new era of digital finance. It's a breakthrough that brings Pi closer to the world, bridging the gap between digital innovation and real-world utility for everyone, everywhere. Mainnet and KYC have been at the heart of Pi's journey. The enclosed mainnet phase has enabled secure migration and ecosystem growth. KYC verification is now complete for the vast majority of 47 million pioneers, one of the largest verified user bases in crypto. Verified users can now migrate their Pi to mainnet wallets and trade on major exchanges. The promise is now reality. Millions can transact real value. The open mainnet, expected in early 2026, will remove all restrictions and allow full integration with other blockchains. The groundwork is set for a new wave of innovation and value. The floodgates are about to open. The Pi network's greatest asset is its community, a vibrant global collective that transcends borders and backgrounds. Here, people from every walk of life come together, united by a shared vision of accessible digital finance. Over 47 million engaged users power this digital nation, each one contributing to a movement that is reshaping the way we think about money and connection in the digital age. Pi's mission of accessibility has brought millions into crypto for the first time, opening doors for those who were previously left out of the financial revolution. It's not just about technology, it's about inclusion, education, and empowerment. This grassroots movement creates a powerful network effect. Every new pioneer adds value, strengthening the bonds of this ever-growing community and amplifying its impact worldwide. The enclosed mainnet has sparked a wave of innovation, inspiring developers to build real-world Pi-powered apps that solve everyday problems and create new opportunities for users everywhere. Marketplaces, games, and social platforms are emerging, all using Pi as currency. These apps are not just digital tools, they're the foundation of a new, thriving economy built by and for the community. This is a circular economy in action, where Pi is exchanged for goods, services, and experiences, giving the currency real-world utility and meaning. Unlike speculative tokens, Pi's value comes from its growing ecosystem and the real contributions of its members. Every interaction, every transaction, and every new idea adds to its strength. Every new app and transaction strengthens the network, making Pi more useful and trusted with each passing day. Pioneers are not just users, they're citizens of a new digital economy, actively shaping the future of finance and technology together. Your participation fuels this engine of growth, driving innovation and ensuring that Pi remains a project built for the people, by the people. The Pi community is unmatched in size, engagement, and potential. It's a living, breathing network of dreamers, builders, and everyday people making history together. This is people-powered finance at its best, a movement where everyone has a role and together we're building a future that's truly for all. Let's look at the numbers. Pi trades steadily around 20 cents, showing resilience in a weak market. With a circulating supply of 8.36 billion tokens, Pi's market cap is about $1.7 billion. Daily trading volume exceeds $20 million across 12 exchanges. Real liquidity, not just hype. Pi's total supply is capped at 100 billion, designed for global scale and microtransactions. The controlled release of tokens supports long-term stability. These numbers reveal a project with solid financial footing and clear growth potential. Price consolidation between 19 and 28 cents is seen as a spring coiling for the next move. The next leg up will be driven by utility and the open mainnet launch. The data tells a story of strength and upward momentum. Where does Pi go from here? Analysts are optimistic. A breakout above 28 cents could trigger a rally, with targets at 37 cents, 81 cents, and even 174. The open mainnet and expanding app ecosystem could fuel a bullish surge. Some forecasts see Pi reaching up to $3 by year's end, matching its all-time high. The big what if remains a Binance listing, which could bring massive liquidity and legitimacy. Long-term projections suggest Pi could reach $13.75 or even $22 by 2030 if adoption continues. These numbers are bold, but Pi's user base and utility make them plausible. The future is dazzling for Pi. The journey is just beginning. What's next? The focus is on transitioning to the open mainnet. This will unlock full connectivity with other blockchains and financial systems. The core team is accelerating app development and expanding utility. Hackathons and developer programs are building a robust ecosystem for launch. Pioneers should complete KYC, migrate coins, and explore new apps. Every user's activity drives network value. Now is the time to build, refine, and scale. The sprint to open mainnet is underway. As we close, let's reflect on the magnitude of this moment. Pi is more than a product. It's the realization of a powerful idea, financial access for all. The resilience, partnerships, and utility prove Pi's substance. Pioneers, you are founders of this digital nation. The open mainnet will bring even more opportunities to engage and benefit. The community-first approach has built unparalleled strength. Now, value and utility are exploding across the ecosystem. The future is being created by you. The story of Pi is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. Thank you.